Welcome to Techatop, the best home theater system in 2026, featuring the most powerful, immersive, and feature-packed setups you can buy right now. From stunning surround sound to crystal-clear dialogue and deep cinematic bass, these systems will transform your living room into a true movie theater experience. Be sure to check the links in the description. Number 5. The Samsung Q-Series Soundbar HW-Q990F is a premium home theater solution designed to deliver a truly cinematic audio experience without the complexity of a traditional receiver and speaker setup. Featuring an advanced 11.1, 4-channel configuration with a dedicated subwoofer and rear speakers, this system creates expansive, room-filling sound with impressive depth and precision. With support for Dolby Atmos, it produces multi-dimensional audio that surrounds you from every direction, including overhead effects that bring movies and games to life. With a peak power handling of 756 watts, the HW-Q990F delivers powerful performance that easily fills large living spaces. Dialogue remains clear and detailed, while action scenes benefit from dynamic range and impactful bass. The included wireless subwoofer adds strong low-frequency presence, giving explosions and music a satisfying, controlled rumble without distortion. Connectivity is modern and versatile, offering 2 HDMI 2.1 inputs and 1 HDMI 2.1 output for high-quality audio and video pass-through. It also includes an optical input and HDMI cable in the box for convenient setup. The system works seamlessly with Google Home, SmartThings, and Amazon Alexa, and features built-in Amazon Alexa and Bixby for hands-free voice control. Finished in an elegant graphite black design, the soundbar is wall-mountable and blends well with contemporary interiors. For anyone seeking premium surround sound performance in a streamlined package, the Samsung HW-Q990F stands out as a powerful and feature-rich choice. Number 4. The Yamaha YHT-5960 Premium. All-in-one home theater system is a complete surround sound package designed for users who want powerful performance and modern connectivity in one convenient solution. This system includes 6 speakers and a robust 8-inch woofer, delivering dynamic and balanced audio that transforms everyday viewing into a cinematic experience. With a peak power handling of 100 watts and a 6-ohm impedance, it provides clean output with impressive clarity across movies, music, and gaming. High-resolution audio support ensures detailed sound reproduction, allowing you to hear subtle nuances in soundtracks and dialogue. The 3-inch mid-range drivers contribute to clear vocals and well-defined mid-frequencies, while the dedicated woofer adds depth and impact to low-frequency effects. Together, the speakers create an immersive surround field that fills medium to large rooms with ease. The YHT-5960 stands out for its advanced connectivity, including 8K HDMI support for next-generation video pass-through. It features USB-A, optical digital audio, and coaxial digital audio inputs, along with a LAN port for network integration. Yamaha MusicCast enables wireless multi-room audio, letting you stream music throughout your home. The system is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Home for convenient voice control. Finished in classic black, the receiver is compact yet solidly built. With app compatibility and included speaker interconnect cables, setup is straightforward. For anyone seeking a reliable, feature-rich home theater solution with future-ready video support, the Yamaha YHT-5960 is an excellent choice. Number 3. The Sonos Premium Immersive Set with Beam brings together the Sonos Beam Gen 2 soundbar, sub-4 wireless subwoofer, and 2 Era 100 surround speakers to create a refined and powerful home theater experience. Designed for seamless integration, this system delivers expansive Dolby Atmos sound while maintaining the simplicity and elegance that defines the Sonos ecosystem. The Beam Gen 2 features 5 built-in speakers, including 4 full-range woofers and 1 tweeter, each powered by its own Class D digital amplifier. 3 passive radiators enhance bass response, while speech enhancement improves dialogue clarity for television and film. With support for Dolby Atmos, Dolby True HD, Dolby Digital Plus, and Dolby Digital, the soundbar produces immersive multi-dimensional audio. Built-in Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa provide responsive voice control, and the microphone can be muted for privacy. The Sub-4 adds depth and authority with 2 force-canceling woofers powered by dedicated amplifiers. Its dual acoustic ports and vibration-reducing design ensure deep, rich bass without cabinet buzz. The compact Era 100 speakers complete the surround experience, each featuring 2 angled tweeters and 1 mid-woofer for detailed stereo imaging. Wi-Fi connectivity, Apple AirPlay 2, and the Sonos Control app allow easy streaming from popular services and home networks. TruePlay tuning optimizes sound for your room. Stylish, versatile, and easy to expand, the Sonos Premium Immersive Set delivers cinematic performance with exceptional convenience and clarity. Number 2. The Klipsch Reference Cinema. Dolby Atmos 5.1. 4. System is designed to deliver a powerful and fully immersive surround sound experience in a compact and stylish package. Featuring 4 satellite speakers equipped with Dolby Atmos technology, this system produces height effects from both the front and the rear channels, creating a dramatic 3-dimensional soundstage. Whether you are watching films, streaming shows, or playing games, the system surrounds you with precise and lifelike audio from every direction. With a maximum output power of 300 watts, the system offers dynamic performance that easily fills small to medium-sized rooms. Klipsch exclusive Tractrix 90° by 90° horn technology works alongside aluminum tweeters to provide crisp, detailed high frequencies with impressive clarity. This design enhances efficiency and ensures that dialogue and subtle sound effects remain clear, even during complex action scenes. The result is a balanced presentation with strong mid-range presence and sparkling highs. The included subwoofer features a built-in all-digital amplifier that delivers deep controlled bass with high efficiency and accurate reproduction. Low-frequency effects feel impactful without overpowering the rest of the system, maintaining a natural and cohesive sound signature. Designed for wall mounting, the speakers offer flexible placement options while maintaining a clean appearance. With its advanced Dolby Atmos configuration, refined acoustic engineering, and room-filling surround performance, the Klipsch Reference Cinema 5.1. 4 system provides an engaging home theater experience that brings cinematic excitement directly into your living space. Number 1. The Nakamichi Dragon 11.2. 6-channel surround system is a reference-grade home theater solution that redefines cinematic audio for serious enthusiasts. Built on over 70 years of audio legacy, this system delivers an 11.2. 6-channel architecture powered by the proprietary Pro Cinema engine, offering Dolby Atmos and DTS:X Pro support for an authentic, room-filling cinematic experience. Unlike compact soundbars, the Dragon is a full-scale system, designed to move air and deliver precision sound at professional levels. At the heart of the system are dual 12-inch aluminum subwoofers with carbon passive radiators. These subs reach down to 19 Hz, producing seismic bass that can be felt as well as heard, providing a commanding low-frequency foundation for movies, music, and gaming. 6 discrete height channels, bipolar surround speakers, and hi-fi air motion tweeters ensure pristine high frequencies, focused dialogue, and immersive 3-dimensional sound. The system's exclusive AHD Ultra engine and perfect height mechanism lock overhead effects to the listening sweet spot, creating a 360-degree experience that envelops the entire room. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including HDMI EARC, 3 HDMI 2.1 inputs with 4K 120Hz and 8K pass-through, optical input, Bluetooth 5.0 with aptX HD, and 3.5mm auxiliary input. The system also supports wireless streaming and can be controlled via on-screen display, backlit remote, or app. With a maximum output of 350 watts, the Nakamichi Dragon delivers uncompromising power, precision, and spatial realism. For those seeking professional-grade audio performance in a home setting, this system provides an unparalleled, immersive cinematic experience that combines raw power, clarity, and refined detail. That wraps up our review of the Best Home Theater System 2026 in 2026. From stunning surround sound to powerful bass and crystal clear dialogue, these systems take your home entertainment to the next level. Whether you are watching movies, gaming, or streaming music, there is a perfect option for every setup. Check the links in the description to explore these systems and elevate your home theater experience today.